Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error with the error code 0x00000000, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection. So open your browser and go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet speed here. Okay. The second one is to disable proxy on your system. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command initcpl.cpl and hit enter. Click on connections, click on LAN settings. Make sure that to check automatically detect settings and make sure to uncheck use a proxy server for LAN. The next one is WS reset. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter. This will clear the Microsoft Store cache and it will open the Microsoft Store, though it will need a while because Microsoft Store will be rebuilding the cache. And finally, you can re-register the Microsoft Store. Now we have a command for this. I'll share it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy this command, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste this command and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.